Taxonomics refers to the defining and naming of organisms based on shared characteristics, whether they are genetic or physical. Organisms in taxonomic are classified by a taxonomic hierarchy, which essentially is able to describe the level of similarity and shared characteristics between the organisms. For example, a domain would not nearly have the same amount of shared characteristics, whether it be genetic or physical, as organisms within the species taxonomic rank. The taxonomic hierarchy is inferred from the fossil record, and it's also established by genetic analysis. And taxonomic has inspired different types of evolutionary trees in different ways to classify organisms. For example, a phylogenetic tree basically is based off inferred evolutionary relationships. And a cladogram shows an organism's or a group of organisms' last common ancestor, and it shows evolutionary divergence.